Hey, welcome to Blink and Bounce, the channel where quirky memes and curiosity collide. That makes you blink once and bounce twice. Before get started, please subscribe to the Blink and Bounce channel.
Guess the sound challenge. I will play some sounds, see how many you can get right. Comment your score at the end. So let's get started. Stop right there. Are you excited to listen up? So yeah, this is the sound of thunder rumble. Lovely sound. Stop right there. Are you excited to listen up? Absolutely. This is the bicycle ringing sound. Stop right there. Are you excited to listen up? You got it! This is the sound of typing on keyboard. Stop right there. I think this is easy one. Of course, sound of soda can opening and pouring into glass. Stop right there. Are you ready to listen up? A wind-blowing sound is here. Stop right there. Tell me in comments, is this little bit tricky for you or not? This is the motorcycle revving sound. Stop right there. Think and hurry up. Comment the answer. All of these are zipper opening sound. Stop right there. Are you thinking, what is it? Absolutely, this is falling of rain sound. I love this sound very much. Stop right there. So what is the sound? Answer me in comments. I am sure this is the steam train whistle sound. right there. Believe me, this is very easy. You can answer me within a second. Yes, this is the bird's chirping sound. Now it's time to subscribe the Blink and Bounce channel to get more interesting challenges.